Hello everyone, my name is Humam. I am the student of Bresang Institute. Today's topic is on homeostasis, keeping the body balanced and healthy. Homeostasis, it is a process that helps in the body to maintain and stable the internal environment and ensuring everything stays balanced and function correctly. It control a factor like body temperature, blood sugar level, water balances, and more. So the body can respond effectively to changes in the external environment. So it is essential for health and survival. So homeostasis work. Homeostasis involves a coordinated system of a feedback loop to monitor and regulate the internal condition. So these system ensure that changes are detected and corrected quickly. And uh, First of all, a sensor, a specialized cells or organ detects its changes, and for example, temperature. A sensor in the skin and brain sense when body get too hot or cold. Then a control center. This is usually the brain or a certain glands like a hypothalamus or a pancreas. It processes the information from sensor and decide what action are needed to restore the balances. Then next is a effector. These are the organ or the tissue that carry out the necessary changes. For example, sweat gland releases a sweat to cool the body, or muscles contract to produce shivering from warm. Then next it is the example of this homeostasis in action. First of all, body temperature. Um, body's normal temperature is around 37 degrees Celsius. If it is a rise above normal, then brain signal to sweat gland and releases a sweat which cool a body and warm. If it drop below the normal, the body triggers shivering and muscles get contracted and generate a heat and constrict the blood vessel to conserve the warmth. Then next it is a blood sugar level. After eating blood sugar level increases. The pancreas releases a insulin hormone that helps to uh, that help in this. If blood sugar drop too low during fasting or exercise, the pancreas release a glycogen, which organ the liver, and it is stored as a sugar. Then next it is a water balances. Then when body is dehydrated, the kidney conserve the water by producing concentrated urine. If When drink too much water, the kidney releases the excess water, producing urine. Then next it is a blood pressure. Sensor in a blood vessel, it monitor the pressure. If the blood pressure drop, the heart pump faster, and blood vessel it constrict and increases it. Then if it is rise too high, the heart slows down and blood vessel relax. Then oxygen and carbon dioxide level during the exercise and the it is more oxygen and produce a more carbon dioxide. At this time, brain senses the increase the carbon dioxide and signal to lungs and breathe faster, ensuring oxygen supply and waste removal are balanced. So Homeostasis, it is important because it is crucial for maintaining the health and proper body function. When it fall, body can become unbalanced and leading to various health issues, so including a heart stroke or a hypothermia, and it is caused by inability to regulate the body temperature. So next it is a diabetes. It In this resulting the imbalance of blood sugar regulation, dehydration or over dehydration caused by disruption in water balances. Then next it is a hypertension or a hypotension. In this resulting from imbalanced blood pressure. Then next it is without homeostasis, the body would be struggle to adapt to changes and putting organ and system at a risk. So there are key system in all in a homeostasis. First of all, it is a nerve system. It provide a quick response to changes, such as a withdrawing a hand from hot surface or increasing the breathing rate during the exercises. So the hypothalamus play a crucial role in regulating body temperature and hunger and thirst. So next system, it is endocrine system. It is work through hormone, which are a chemical messenger that regulate slower and long-term changes like blood sugar level, growth, and reproduction. So example of these, insulin and glucagon from pancreas and maintain blood sugar level. Next system, it is a urinary system. In this regulator water and salt balances by controlling urine production. Then next it is it work closely with the endocrine system and particularly with hormone like antidiuretic hormone. It means it is a ADH. So next it is a cardiovascular and respiratory system. It maintain the oxygen and carbon dioxide level, blood pressure and pH balances. So this system adjusts rapidly during activities like exercise or stress. So homeostasis, it is a think of homeostasis. It is a thermostat of house. Thermostat, it is a constantly monitor the temperature and adjust the heating or cooling to keep within a comfortable range. So body has built in a mechanism to detect the changes like getting too hot or hungry and make adjustment to keep everything running slowly. So this adjustment happen automatically without. So it is the ensuring the body stay balanced and healthy. In the last, the conclusion of the homeostasis is the foundation of life, and it allowing the body to adapt to ever changing environment and internal challenges. So it is a dynamic processes and causes a vital condition such as body temperature, water level and blood sugar. So remain these regulated a condition are crucial for proper functioning of enzyme cells and entire organ system. So which is collectively and sustain life. So by maintaining the stability in the face of external fluctuation, homeostasis enters in the body. It is efficiently and effectively under a varying condition. Then when homeostasis is functioning correctly, The body can respond quickly and seamlessly to changes. The example during exercises, muscle activity, body temperature, and demand more oxygen and nutrient. Homeostasis mechanism step in increasing blood flow, adjusting breathing rate, and sweating to cool. Similarly, after a meal, the body regulates blood sugar level and ensuring energy is available to cell without causing harm. Then these are the process occur automatically and continuously, demonstrating the body's ability to maintain the balances. So, understanding the homeostasis also keeps us appropriated how the body protect itself from the harm, and it detect potential imbalances only, such as dehydration, nutrient deficiency, or infection, and initiate to corrective action to prevent any damages. For example, um, the immune system activate a pathogen and other system to work to maintain the stable energy and hydration level to support a recovery. These are the system reflect body and ability to priority the survival and repair. So when homeostasis system are disrupted, the consequences it chronic stress, illness, injury, or environmental can overwhelm, and it's maintain a balances. So example in diabetes is blood sugar level and it a long term complication. So extreme heat or cold overwhelm the temperature and control causing heart stroke or hypothermia. These are disruption highlight the importance of healthy lifestyle. So such a proper nutrition, hydration, and exercise, and stress management in supporting the homeostasis. So homeostasis is not just about the maintain the status, it is about the body's ability to adapt the trio, and it replicate the reliances of life and survive in a changing world. So by studying and understanding homeostasis, scientists and healthcare professionals can develop a treatment by intervention, so restore all the balances when it disrupted, and improving the health outcome and quality of the life. So it is a homeostasis, it is a complexity of the human body and unwearing of drive to sustain life. Thank you so much.